Well, hello, my Cornerstone pals. And today we're talking about thunder, lightning, and hail. Okay. Alrighty. So, first, let's go over the topic words. Let me zoom in here for that. The first topic word on our communication board is thunderstorm. You know, first you see the flash, then there's a big boom. That's what a thunderstorm is. All right. Okay, the next topic word, which is not on our communication board, is cloud. A cloud floating across the sky. All right. The next topic word is rain. Okay. Rain falls down from the clouds when the water droplets get together and get too heavy, and then they fall down from the cloud. All right. Season. Okay, so we have 4 seasons. Okay. We have spring, if I can find it. And then summer, and then fall, and then winter. Our 4 seasons, because we live in that kind of climate. Okay. All right, wind. Well, here's air. Wind is like when the wind blows. The wind blows the air around, makes the leaves fly all around and stuff. Okay, the next topic word. Oh, okay. Let's see. Let's go over some other topic words. Okay, so thunderstorm. Thunder is the part of the thunderstorm that is the noise. Boom. And so first, in a thunderstorm, the lightning strikes when it gets bright. Like it'll be like a lightning will strike, and then there'll be no noise for that, even though I just made it. So the lightning will strike, and then you'll hear a few seconds after. All right. The next topic word is noise, and thunder makes noise. Okay, and it's also loud. And lightning is very fast. Okay, it's the speed of light, which is incredibly fast. Right, another topic word in this story is anytime. And another topic word is happen. Alrighty. Another vocabulary word rather, from the story is hit. Like lightning might hit a tree, and that is dangerous, and it can cause damage. Okay. All right, let's see. And you'll get a warning on the TV or the radio or on your cell phone if there's going to be a strong thunderstorm or hail or a hurricane or whatever. And here's wind. I didn't see wind before. See the wind blowing the tree and blowing the leaves off the tree? Okay, and then of course there's hail. Now hail is like it's like instead of snow, it's like pieces of ice falling down from the clouds, from the sky, and it makes like noise, like when it hits things. And you should stay inside during a thunderstorm. All right, let's get to the story. Page 1, thunder, lightning, and hail. Look at that lightning and the rainstorm. Looks scary, doesn't it? But you don't have to be afraid if you're, as long as you are safe, play it safe. Okay. Thunderstorms can happen anytime. Most thunderstorms happen in the spring and summer seasons. Most thunderstorms happen during the afternoon and evening. So here you go. Here's this could be this. This is probably like the summer. This would be like a summer thunderstorm. The lightning bolts coming down. Okay. Thunderstorms form when warm and cold air meet in the sky. When they meet, the air cools down and forms tiny water droplets. The cooler air moves down again, warms up, and meets cold air to form more water droplets. This continues until large clouds form and creates a thunderstorm. Thunderstorms can have heavy rain showers. It can also be very windy during a thunderstorm. All right, so let's see. So the cold and the warm air meet. Let's see, let's look at this graphic over here. The cold and the warm air meet. Warm air comes up, they meet. Cold air comes down. Guess it keeps circulating and happening until the cloud gets really big, and then it starts to rain. And then there's thunder. I mean, lightning and thunder. Okay. All right, any more graphics here? Nope. Okay, thunderstorms have bright streaks of light called lightning. Thunderstorms can also have loud noises called thunder. Thunder can be heard after lightning flashes. If you hear thunder and see dark clouds and lightning, a thunderstorm is coming. Alrighty. Lightning can be dangerous. Sometimes lightning comes all the way to the ground. It may hit a tree. The lightning can set the tree on fire. That's not good. The fire can spread to other trees and become a forest fire. See, here's a picture of the lightning hitting the tree catching on fire. Scary. This is hail. This is what we talked about. See, it comes down. It's like hitting the car, and sometimes it cracks the windshields. I haven't seen hail that hard in a long time, but it can happen. A thunderstorm can be severe. A severe thunderstorm can have strong winds and hail. Hail is chunks of ice that fall to the ground. Hail can damage homes or cars. Hail is formed when water droplets freeze together. The hail falls to the ground as ice. Alrighty. You can get warnings about thunderstorms on a TV, radio, or cell phone. A severe thunderstorm watch means that a thunderstorm may come where you live. A severe thunderstorm warning means the storm is happening or going to happen soon where you live. Go inside if a storm is coming. See, here's a person with their remote, click, click, watching the TV, and the weather forecaster is showing that there's a storm warning on TV. All right. Okay, let's see if we can remember one thing that happens during a thunderstorm. Blank can happen anytime. What can happen anytime? Is it light can happen anytime? Lightning can happen anytime? Dangerous can happen anytime? Inside can happen anytime? That doesn't make any sense. Thunderstorms can happen anytime? Let's see. Yes, thunderstorms can happen anytime. Anytime at all. Anytime at all. Okay, thunderstorms make thunder and what? They make thunder and thunderstorms make thunder and inside? No. Thunderstorms and make thunder and thunderstorms? No. Thunderstorms make thunder and dangerous? Let's see. Oh, nope. Box turned red. Get that one out of there. All right. Thunderstorms make thunder and, you guessed it, lightning. Lightning is a fast flash. Let's see that flash again. Lightning is a fast flash of dangerous, fast flash of inside, fast flash of thunderstorms, a fast flash of light. Yep. A fast flash of light. Oops. All right. Thunderstorms can be, let's see, what can they be? Can thunderstorms be light? They have light, but they cannot just be light. Can thunderstorms be lightning? Yeah. Let's see if that's the answer. Nope. Let's get that out of there. Thunderstorms can be inside? I hope not. Let's see. Thunderstorms can be thunderstorms. Thunderstorms can be dangerous. Go where if a thunderstorm is coming? Where should you go if a thunderstorm is coming? Go light if a thunderstorm is coming? Go lightning if a thunderstorm is coming? Go inside if a thunderstorm is coming? Yes, go inside. Very good. Okay, let's choose the right answer to each question. What is this chapter about? Is it about mountains? Is it about wind? Is it about thunderstorms? You guessed it, it's about thunderstorms. All right. What do thunderstorms make? What do they make? Volcanoes? Earthquakes? Lightning? Let's try earthquakes and see what happens. Thunderstorms. You're right. Thunderstorms make lightning. Lightning. Love that flash. Lightning. All right. What is lightning? Is it a loud noise? Is it a flash of light? Is it a drop of rain? You're right. It's a flash of light. What can thunderstorms be? Can they be dangerous? Can they be safe? Can they be funny? That tree got hit by a bolt of lightning. They can be dangerous. That's right. What is important to know about this story? Thunderstorms are small storms with light winds. Is that the answer? Let's see. Nope. Stay outside and play during a thunderstorm. Nope. Go inside if a thunderstorm is coming. Yep. So be safe. Okay, that's all we have time for with this chapter of Cornerstone Friends. Next comes the game and a song, so stay tuned. Okay, my Cornerstone cats, now we're going to play a time-telling game. Okay, so the first one says we have to tell what time it says on this digital clock. Okay, you can see a 12 here, a colon here, 25, and it says Saturday p.m. So it is 12:25. And what would you be doing at 12:25 in the p.m. in the afternoon on Saturday? Well, maybe you would have just finished lunch at home, or maybe you have gone out to lunch, you know, or maybe you're just hanging around with your parents, helping them clean the house. Let's see if this is right. That's right. You answered correctly. Yay! Now this watch says AM, which is morning, and it says 3:42. So that's 3:42 in the AM. What do you think you'd be doing at 3:42 in the morning? Well, if you're um, the right thing to be doing would be sleeping, okay? Because it's still nighttime at 3:42 in the AM. It's still dark out at 3:42 in the AM. Okay. This one says 9:25. That's 9:25, but it doesn't say AM or PM. If you were at school with me at 9:25 a.m., we would be in the middle of a lesson. You know, we might even still be doing morning meeting. You know, okay. At 9:25 in the evening, 9:25 in the p.m. Why, you'd be home, probably in bed or getting ready for bed, right? Okay, correct. All right, so this right here. This watch shows the month, displays the month. It displays AM or PM. It displays the day. That's so cool. And here is the solar panels that keep it functioning. It's kind of an old watch, I guess. Let's see. It says 4:54. And don't worry about this 26. This means 26 seconds. So it's Saturday, 4:54 p.m. So that would be Saturday, 4:54 in the afternoon. What would you be doing at Saturday at 4:54 in the afternoon? Well, you might be playing a game at home with your family or caregivers. You might be playing a video game with them, board game, or doing something by yourself, like watch TV. Maybe you'd be out in the yard doing something. All right. This one says 10:38. That is 10:38. Okay, so I type that in. You can type it in at home. All right, so what would you be doing at 10:38 in the morning at school? Well, we would probably be just finishing. We probably would have finished our morning activities, and we'd probably be doing hygiene routines, All right, at 10:38 in the evening, you'd best be in bed. 10:38 p.m. Okay. All right. Here's a clock radio. 12:14. That's 12:14. Okay. And at 12:14 in the p.m., 12:14 in the afternoon, we'd probably still be eating lunch at school. At 12:14 a.m., again, you best be in bed at 12:14 a.m. because the sky would be dark and everybody else in the house would be asleep. And you wouldn't want to wake everybody else up, would you? Not me. All right. This one says 10:28. Okay, that's 10:28. Again, at 10:28 in the AM at school, we would probably be doing morning hygiene routines, get cleaned up, using the Hoyer lift, At 10:28 in the PM, it's bedtime. It's dark out. View results. 100%. All right. Okay, dudes and dudettes. Let's review some more safety signs, shall we? All right. A railroad crossing. This is an outdoor sign. Got to be careful of trains coming up ahead. If you see this sign, a railroad track. Danger. Okay, so this is a sign that tells you the traffic light coming up on the road. Hospital. Don't walk. Don't walk. Restroom. Railroad crossing. Okay, so this is telling you there's railroad tracks coming up ahead and that you have to be careful, especially if you're driving a school bus. Traffic light, traffic signal ahead. Hospital. Nope. Okay, so this is the light that you'd see that's telling you not to use the crosswalk because it's not safe. There's cars going back and forth. Zoom, zoom, zoom. So don't walk when you see this red hand on the light. Let's see what this one is down here. Stop. Hospital. Hospital. Here's where you go when you are sick, or really hurt. Okay. Danger. Huh. Okay, so restroom. And this is a restroom for both men and women. Okay. Pedestrian crossing. This is a sign telling you that there's a place where you can cross the street coming up. 2 white lines. Okay. Alrighty then. Let's see where we're. Danger. Traffic light signal ahead. So when you see this sign, you know that there's going to be a light up ahead, and you might have to stop if it's a red light or if it's a yellow light. But you can keep going if it's a green light. Danger. Okay, if you see this sign and it says danger, it usually will have another picture underneath it, it'll tell you what the danger is. Okay, like electricity or fire or dog, Okay, but if you see this sign, this red danger sign, just look out because there might be some danger around. Stop. No food or beverage. No food or beverage. Stop. Okay, so if you see this sign, okay, this means that you can't eat and drink in a particular place. So if you're eating a hamburger or whatever and drinking a soda, and you see this sign, and you're about to go into this area, and it says, you see this sign, you need to put your food away and eat it later. Stop. Okay. Well, we all know what stop means, all right? Stop. Stop. Okay? All right. So if you're driving, this means you need to stop your car. Or if somebody holds up a stop sign to you, it means you need to stop what you're doing. Okay. All right. Okay, that's all we have time for, Cornerstone Cats. Next comes the song. Okay, my Cornerstone peoples. There's an old Ronnie James Dio song. I'm going to sing it like Pavarotti because I can't scream like Dio. So here we go. When there's lightning, you know it always brings me down. 'Cause it's free and I see that it's me who's lost and never found. I cry out for magic, I feel it dancing in the lights. I was cold, lost my hold to the shadows of the night. There's no sign of the morning coming. You've been left on your own like a rainbow in the dark. Yeah. And the thunder, do you ever hear it go? When it's loud, there's no shroud, draws a crowd. Is it something that you know? You're just a picture, just an image caught in time. We're a lie, you and I. We're words without a rhyme. There's no sign of the morning coming. You've been left on your own like a rainbow in the dark. Like a rainbow in the dark, yeah. When I see lightning, you know it always brings me down. 'Cause it's free and it's me and I see who's lost and never found. Feel the magic, I feel it floating in the air. But it's fear and you'll hear, it's calling you, beware. Look out, there's no sign of the morning coming. You've been left on your own like a rainbow in the dark. Yeah, yeah, rainbow in the dark.